Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix UVerse box all lights blinking, what it means, and full troubleshooting guide. Unplug the power cables from both your UVerse receiver and your Wi-Fi gateway for full 2 minutes before plugging them back in. Press and hold the receiver's front power button for 10 seconds to clear any frozen system errors or connection blocks. Check all cable connection for a secure fit and request a replacement box from AT&T if the continuous flashing persists. Perform a soft reset. Press and hold the power button on the front of the UVerse receiver for 10 seconds. Then release it, wait a moment and press it again to restart the device. The reboot process takes about 5 to 8 minutes to complete. Execute a full power cycle. If the soft reset fails, unplug the receiver's power cable directly from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds to completely drain the residual power before plugging it back in. Reboot the Wi-Fi gateway. Unplug the power cords from your main AT&T Wi-Fi gateway slash modem for 2 minutes. Then plug it back in and wait until the broadband or service lights turn solid green before checking your TV box again. Rethink wireless receivers. If you are using a wireless TV receiver, locate your smaller wireless access point WAP box connected to the gateway. Unplug its power for 10 seconds, plug it back in, and then press the WPS button on the front of the WAP. Immediately press the OK button on the front panel of your wireless viewers box to reestablish a secure local link. Check cable seating. Disconnect and firmly reseat all HDMI, Ethernet, or coaxial cables connected to the back of the box and your TV to eliminate communication errors. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.